So hello friends, welcome back in a new video. Today our topic is pole. What is pole in flow control buffer? So if you come here first time, then subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, like and share this video. So let's start this video. What is pole? Here the definition of pole: used by the primary device to receive transmissions from the secondary device. Uh, what is the use of pole? um, how to use this? So used by primary device to receive transmissions from the secondary device. The secondaries are not allowed to TX data until asked by keeping control with primary. The multi-point system guarantees that only one TX can occur at a time. The secondaries are not allowed to TX data until asked by keeping control with primary. The multi-point system guarantees that only one TX can occur at a time. When the primary is ready to receive data, it must ask device it device in return if it has anything to send. When the first secondary is approached, it responds either with an AK frame if it nothing to send, or with data if it does. If the response is negative, primary then pulls the next secondary. When the primary has received data, it acknowledges by sending an ACK. Two possibilities for termination: a secondary sends all its data and finishes with EOT frame. Primary says time is up. Understand? If the response is negative, primary then polls the next secondary. When the primary has received data, it acknowledges by sending an ACK. Two possibilities for termination: a secondary sends mails and all its data and finishes with OIT. A data is finished with EOT frame. This is a pole select. Flow control of definition. What is flow control of definition? Second aspect of data link control is flow control. In most protocols, flow control is a set of procedures that tells the sender how much data it can transmit before it must wait for an ACK from the receiver. The flow of data must be not be allowed to overwhelm the receiver. Any receiving device has a limited speed at, at which it can process incoming data and limited amount of memory in which to store incoming data. The receiving data must be able to inform the sending device before those limits are reached and request that TX device send fewer frames or stop temporarily. So this is our today video. See you soon in the next video. Hope you like this video.